Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a casserole. We have pasta, we have sausage, we have ground beef, and we have 3 cheeses. Yes, 3. So, recipes down in the description box, and let's get cooking. Okay, we have a large skillet. This is a 12-inch one. Started heating it. I have 1 onion chopped. We're going to throw that in there. I also have 1 pound of penne pasta cooking. We're going to cook that up. Now we have 1 pound of sausage and 1 pound of ground beef. This is just oxidation because I had that frozen. And we're going to throw all this in here and we're going to cook it down. Okay, we're going to cook this down so we don't see no more pink. Then we're going to strain any grease out of the pot, return the meat to the pan, and continue on. Okay, we cooked it down, we strained it. Looks pretty good. If you see any big chunks while you're cooking it, just chop it down, cook right up. So now we're going to add 2 jars of tomato sauce. And we're going to let this cook down for about 15 minutes after we stir it. Okay, we've had this simmering for about 15 minutes roughly. So we're just going to turn the heat off and assemble our casserole. Okay, we have a 9 by 13 casserole. We're going to spray it with non-stick. And now we're going to layer it almost like a lasagna. So we're going to add about half of our pasta. Now we're going to add provolone, sliced 8 ounces. Just stack it up. Now we're going to add a cup of sour cream. I'm just going to spread this around. Okay, now we're going to add half of our sauce, meat mixture. And the sauce will go down into the cracks. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of our pasta. Eight ounces of, or 2 cups, mozzarella. And we're going to layer some more meat sauce. All right, now we're going to layer it. We're going to sprinkle some Parmesan on top. Now we're going to bake this 350 degrees for about a half hour, or until you see everything settle down, sink down into the casserole. Okay, I baked it for 30 minutes. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes now. And I'm ready to dig into this because this looks delicious. Now making a mess. Oh man, look at that. And there you have it, 3 cheese baked ziti. Alright, I said baked ziti, it's not. It's penne. I'm going to give this a try because this looks delicious. Some of this sausage. Oh yeah. Wow. That sour cream acts like a regatta in a real baked ziti dish. And it gives it a nice little offset in flavor. But yeah, if you're a big baked ziti fan or lasagna fan, this will be a nice addition, variation to your recipe book, because this is spot on, a variation of baked ziti, and it's just as delicious. So bookmark this one if you're a baked ziti fan, because this is delicious. Until next time, it's the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.